easily extend the range of your broadband throughout your home with the handy BT Mini Home Hotspot Powerline Adapter Kit. With quick and easy setup, you can start to benefit from improved broadband strength right away. With the simple touch of a button, you can create a secure Wi-Fi hotspot instantly and connect the whole family to a stronger Wi-Fi signal. You can connect multiple devices at the same time. By supporting up to 16 devices, everyone can use their phones, laptops or tablets without putting additional strain on the Wi-Fi signal. Compatible with any router, you can connect this adapter kit to your existing router to get wider coverage in any space. Conveniently extend your existing Wi-Fi coverage without the hassle of buying a new router. Now the whole family can enjoy uninterrupted internet access across a range of devices with this BT Mini Home Hotspot Powerline Adapter Kit.